Anxiety is a common problem for many people. It's a disorder characterized by constant worry and nervousness and is sometimes related to poor brain health. Medication is often required as treatment. Aside from medication, there are several strategies you can use to help reduce anxiety symptoms, from exercising to deep breathing. Additionally, there are some foods you can eat that may help lower the severity of your symptoms, mostly due to their brain-boosting properties. Here are 6 science-backed foods and beverages that may provide anxiety relief. 1. Salmon. Salmon may be beneficial for reducing anxiety. It contains nutrients that promote brain health, including vitamin D and the omega-3 fatty. Both may help regulate the neurotransmitters dopamine and serotonin, which can have calming and relaxing properties. Additionally, studies show these fatty acids can reduce inflammation and prevent brain cell dysfunction that leads to the development of mental disorders like anxiety. Vitamin D has also been studied for the positive effects it may have on improving levels of calming neurotransmitters. Even a few servings of salmon a week may be enough to promote anxiety relief. In one study, men who ate Atlantic salmon 3 times per week for 5 months reported less anxiety than those who ate chicken, pork or beef. Moreover, they had improved anxiety-related symptoms, such as heart rate and heart rate variability. 2. Chamomile. Chamomile is an herb that may help reduce anxiety. It contains high amounts of antioxidants proven to reduce inflammation, which might decrease the risk of anxiety. Several studies have examined the association between chamomile and anxiety relief. They've found that those diagnosed with generalized anxiety disorder, GAD, experienced a significantly greater reduction in symptoms after consuming chamomile extract, compared to those who did not. Another study found similar results, as those who consumed chamomile extract for 8 weeks saw reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety. While these results are promising, most studies have been conducted on chamomile extract. More research is necessary to evaluate the anti-anxiety effects of chamomile tea, which is most commonly consumed. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that contains curcumin, a compound studied for its role in promoting brain health and preventing anxiety disorders. Animal and test tube studies suggest that curcumin may boost the omega-3 fatty acid DHA in the brain by helping your body synthesize it more efficiently. In one study, 20 mg per kilogram of curcumin produced significant anti-anxiety effects in stressed mice compared to those given a lower dose. Curcumin also has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that have been shown to prevent damage to brain cells. These effects are partly due to curcumin's ability to reduce inflammatory markers, such as cytokines, which are often linked with anxiety development. 4. Dark chocolate. Incorporating some dark chocolate into your diet may also be helpful for easing anxiety. Dark chocolate contains flavonols, which are antioxidants that may benefit brain function. They do this by improving blood flow to the brain and promoting its ability to adapt to stressful situations. These effects may allow you to adjust better to the stressful situations that can lead to anxiety and other mood disorders. Some researchers also suggest that dark chocolate's role in brain health may simply be due to its taste, which can be comforting for those with mood disorders. Eating dark chocolate has also been shown to increase levels of the neurotransmitter serotonin, which may help reduce the stress that leads to anxiety. For example, in a study of highly stressed individuals, participants reported significantly low levels of stress after consuming 40 grams of dark chocolate every day over a 2-week period. 5. Yogurt. If you suffer from anxiety, yogurt is a great food to include in your diet. The probiotics, or healthy bacteria, found in some types of yogurt can improve several aspects of your well-being, including mental health. Studies have shown that probiotic foods like yogurt may promote mental health and brain function by inhibiting free radicals and neurotoxins, which can damage nerve tissue in the brain and lead to anxiety. In one study, anxious individuals who consumed probiotic yogurt daily were better able to cope with stress than those who consumed yogurt without probiotics. These findings are promising, but more human research is necessary to confirm the beneficial effects that yogurt may have on anxiety reduction. It is also important to note that not all yogurt contains probiotics. For the benefits of probiotics, choose a yogurt that has live active cultures listed as an ingredient. 6. Green tea. Green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that has been studied for the positive effects it may have on brain health and anxiety reduction. In one small study, people who consumed L-theanine experienced a reduction in psychological stress responses that are commonly associated with anxiety, such as increased heart rate. Another study found that those who drank a beverage that contained L-theanine had decreased levels of cortisol, a stress hormone linked with anxiety. These effects may be due to L-theanine's potential to prevent nerves from becoming overexcited. Additionally, L-theanine may increase GABA, dopamine and serotonin, neurotransmitters that have been shown to have anti-anxiety effects. Moreover, green tea contains epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, an antioxidant suggested to promote brain health. It may play a role in reducing certain symptoms by also increasing GABA in the brain. While all of these findings are promising, it is worth mentioning that most of the research on green tea and anxiety has been conducted in animals and test tubes. More human research is needed to confirm its anti-anxiety effects. Conclusion. Overall, research is sparse on the topic of specific foods and anxiety prevention. Most studies have been conducted on animals or in laboratories, and more high-quality human studies are needed. However, there are several foods and beverages that may help you deal with your anxiety symptoms, as they may reduce inflammation and boost brain health.